Yesterday, I was talking about the illegal detention and conviction of our brother who was sentenced to life imprisonment, Abdou Karim. We see this happening all along the years to our brothers. Seseko Ayoktabe, Mancho BBC, all these guys got life imprisonment for doing nothing, just for being activists, freedom fighters or freedom lovers who want justice for their people. They were given life imprisonment. The recent one is Abdou Karim. It happens to all Ambazonians, Southern Cameroonians who are fighting for freedom. The freedom that starts since the date of independence. But this is not new because the government of Cameroon, La Republic of Cameroon, is a rogue government. They don't see anything to wrongfully detain, wrongfully arrest people without charge. Okay. Now, the case of Abdou Karim. Abdou Karim stated that the Cameroon government has no right to go to Bamenda, arrest people, carry them to Yaoundé, another country, and judge them there, when we have all the kinds of courts in Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. We have from the customary court right up to the high court. We have them in Ambazonia. Why then should you carry our people to go and judge them in Yaoundé, in a court that they don't know anything about, in a civil law system where they are from the common law system? Abdou Karim's argument was very, very vital. Okay, and now he never appeared in court. He has been in illegal detention for more than 7 months or so. Without trial, no trial, they gave him life sentencing. This is the injustice we are talking about. The illegal occupation of the Cameroon government. This is what the people of Southern Cameroon have been fighting for the past 9 years, and we have not seen justice for our people. The international community is silent on this issue. The illegal detention of our people is just too much. Abdou Karim is an activist, is a frontline leader of the people of Southern Cameroon. He has his rights. Okay, he has his right to say, you don't have the jurisdiction. Okay, you don't have the jurisdiction to try the people of Southern Cameroon in your courts, which have two separate legal systems. One is a civil law system, which is the French system. The other one is a common law system. Our people don't understand French. Majority of our people don't even know what is French language in the first place. You carry them, go and try them in that court. They have no legal backing, no lawyer to back them up. You give them life sentencing when they refuse to go to court because they don't know. First of all, they don't know their charges. They are just activists. You sentence them. That is the injustice that this government of Cameroon, the dictatorship government, the oldest dictator in the whole of in the whole world, Paul Biya, this is what he's doing to our people. But the international community see no justice, see no. They are silent on this. When you allow this kind of dictators to rule for unlimited amount of terms, this is 42 years Paul Biya is ruling the world, and he sent his military to occupy the people of Southern Cameroon land. The world see nothing in that. They are instead going to attack these young presidents like Traoré, someone that is trying to rebuild their nation. That's the president that the international community is seeing. They are not seeing Paul Biya. This old president, Equatorial Guinea president, Obiangema, old president in their 90s, that have no knowledge. Those are the kind of president that the international community prefer, so that they can manipulate them. Because these young guys like Traoré, all these guys are coming up. The Senegalese president, all these guys are young guys. The international community don't like them because they are young, they are vibrant, they know what they're doing, they can discuss terms of agreements and MOUs, memorandum of understanding. They can discuss that because they are still young, they are vibrant. The international community don't like those kind of president. They want these dictatorship guys. These guys that have been in power, they have been corrupted, they have no sense of direction, they don't care about their own people, they go against international law, they are still there, no sanction for them. That is the people international community like. Dictators like Paul Biya. But in the case of our people, we have thousands of Southern Cameroonians who have been illegally incarcerated, illegally detained, and illegally charged and sentenced. The fact that our people have been fighting for freedom, the most neglected crisis is this crisis of Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia crisis, where the international community is turning a blind eye. Despite all the genocide, despite all the crimes committed by Paul Biya and Paul Biya's military on the people of Southern Cameroon, the killings, the massacre, the mass grave, the scorched earth policy, all these things have been silent. And we see the Trump administration going to cancel TPS on the people of Southern Cameroon when there's an ongoing war going on. The people of Southern Cameroon are at war. They need America's support when it comes to temporary protective status for the Southern Cameroonians that are coming to America. They need it for protect them because the rogue regime in Cameroon, they have no limit in the atrocities. For the past years, thousands of our people have been killed. The people of Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia. The international community should understand that this is not about, this is humanity. This is about saving lives. And speaking up truth to power is important because the Cameroon government don't care. They don't care the amount of people that die. They don't care. All they want is to occupy the land of Southern Cameroon, usurp their resources, kill as many people as they can. Then they don't care. So we want to make this clear that the international community should understand what is going on in Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. The sentences of Abdou Karim, the arrest of Dr. Choayaba in Norway, the arrest of many other activists that are just putting their voice out there. No crime, no thing that they commit. The only thing that they are trying to fight is for justice for their people. They have been given life sentencing. The international community is silent. We are making this clear. The people of Southern Cameroon have a just cause. The fight for the restoration of the Southern Cameroon is something that the international community should understand, that the Southern Cameroon got their independence in 1961, 1st of October. The French Cameroon got their independence in 1960, 1st of January. They were two separate countries, two entities of equal status. One colonized by the British, the other one colonized by France. So no one had the right to occupy the other, according to the United Nations, that granted both of them separate independence. Today, the French Cameroon has occupied the British Cameroon, and they are claiming ownership. They are suppressing the right of the people. They are killing the people of Southern Cameroon. They are scorched earthing the people of Southern Cameroon, burning many villages, towns, homes. People are being killed in their homes just as we speak. So we are telling the international community to know what is going on there and to stand up, because the crisis has been going on for 9 years. 9 years as we speak. So we want justice for the people of Southern Cameroon. We want make sure that the international community know this, so that they should speak up against this illegal